What's up, everyone? This is Emilio, Quick Property Solutions, and in this video today, I am doing a tour of the Santa Rosa property. We are 2 months in on this property. I wanted to show you the progress. You can hear my guy downstairs. We finally got the gas on. Thank God, finally got the gas on. We actually, whoever lived here before, normally what happens is we just switch the account over. They had a meter on the front and everything's fine. They actually turned the gas off from the street. So they turned the gas off from the street. So I couldn't just get a meter or just they could turn a remote. It was quite an ordeal to try and get them out here. I had to call like almost every other day. They weren't returning my calls. We were playing phone tag. It took almost 2 to 3 weeks just for them to turn the gas on from the street. Then once I had the gas on from the street, then I could get the meter on. And then I had to wait another 10 days for that. So we finally got the meter on. And it couldn't have come at a better time because as you can see down here, we have a heater here. We do have electricity. So I bought a ton of these heaters, which help to keep the house warm. However, they were painting this last weekend and we don't have, it wasn't an even heat throughout the house. So when they were painting, they said that some of the paint was dripping because it was cold. So right now they're working on the furnace. The house came with a furnace and the furnace works, but the ductwork was really bad. So I'll go down there. I could show you what that looks like. But we got the flooring in. We covered the flooring with the paper. And we got the trim in. All new baseboards. You see here, all new trim on the door. We got all the windows installed here. I'm in the kitchen now, in the dining room. All new trim here. If I turn around, everything out of the kitchen's gone. We installed the cement board. The next thing to do is we got to buy cabinets, and then we're going to put the tile down and then just start putting the tile on once we have the cabinets in. I already have the tile here. Tile's ready to go. But again, I don't want to buy the cabinets yet because they're still painting. And if I buy the cabinets, you know, it might get in their way. I don't know. I might buy it just to get the cabinets here so we could just like make this quicker so we don't have to wait. Bathroom is almost done. The floor tile is in. Shower tile is done. I bought the shower tile. It's not grouted, but the shower tile's in. Windows in. Vanities in. I was able to fit this in my Prius. I wanted a 30-inch in here, but it wouldn't fit in my Prius. But this is a 24-inch, and it did fit. But I'll be honest, if I got the 30-inch, that thing was so heavy. I was struggling with the 24, so I don't know if I could have got that. All the primers laid down. New trim baseboards are in here. Oh yeah, the 6-panel doors are done. And let's see, where do I got the, oh, I think it's in the middle. I bought all of my door levers, but what I did was the door levers, I just threw them in a box. So like once they're ready to install the door levers, you don't want to do them now because if they paint could get on the door levers. Plus you don't want to do that thing where like they paint, I've seen this on so many houses where they put the door lever in, and then they paint the door and then they paint around the doorknob. I'm like, dude, just take the doorknob off so you could paint it and there won't be a paint mark on the levers, whatever. Anyways, yeah, I got the, let's see, furnace going. Let's go downstairs and take a look. All right, so this is all painted. They took a sprayer and they took semi-gloss and they painted all the trim. Let's see. All right, basement. All right, so here's the basement. Turn this around. All right, so this was, I don't know much about furnaces. All I know that this was old. They had to toss it. Let's see here. They had to move the gas line, do us all this crazy stuff. So what they're doing is, oh, yeah, so when we, oopsie, does the light work? No, the light's off. When we did this guy had like cardboard and HVAC tape here, and DTE actually wouldn't turn our gas on until that was replaced. So we finally replaced it. I don't know the material, this is kind of like an HVAC cement or something like that, but they did this correct. Here's the furnace here, and then he's just working on all the pieces to make it much better than what it was before. It was garbage before. I'll just let him do his job. Get out of his way. All right. See you, Julio. Okay. All right, and that's the progress that we have at Santa Rosa. So again, this house is, oh, let me show you upstairs too. 3-bedroom, 2-bath, your basic bungalow, 2 bedrooms down, 3rd bedroom up. They taped, the carpet here was actually pretty good. I didn't tear it out, we just kept it in here. We're probably just gonna steam clean it because it's in such good condition. Matter of fact, we didn't really do much up here. The lights and all that, this really just came with the house. Carpet was with the house. What we did up here was we replaced all the windows. That window was bad, and then we did all the trim, painted this, and all this was done. They had this all drywalled already. We didn't have to do any of that. So that saved us a ton of money. So it's been a nice walk-in closet here, brand new window here. And then this door didn't have any trim. We put trim here. We painted the door. Oh yeah, new window in the shower. And then I hate this vanity. It's an 18-inch vanity. It's gray. It looks like a rental vanity. I freaking hate it. So it's actually a good vanity, but it could be used at like a rental. So I'm gonna take it out, throw it in my car, put it in like storage and just use it for rental when it comes up. So I don't have to spend like 150, 200 bucks on a vanity when I need one. But I'm gonna replace the vanity up here as well. But yeah, so they're gonna be doing painting on this weekend. So hopefully the paint will be done in a week. But yeah, priming's done, trim's all done. And that's pretty much it. So if you guys enjoyed this video, I'm going to be going to my next rehab, shooting another video. But like the video, comment below, subscribe to this channel. If you want to reach out to me, talk to me about Detroit real estate, there's a link in the description below. If you guys want to support the channel, I do have a Detroit real estate investing course. If you buy it, you guys will learn about Detroit, learn about how to do all your formulas for rehabs and rentals. Would you be supporting my channel? I greatly appreciate it. So I'll talk to you soon. Thanks.